Is your Mac running out of storage space? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through some effective tips and strategies to free up space and get your Mac running like new. Before diving in, it's a smart idea to create a backup using Time Machine. This ensures you can retrieve anything important that might get deleted during the cleanup process. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's find out how much storage space is available. Click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings, General. Then click Storage. This gives us a visual breakdown of your storage usage. You can see how much space is taken up by apps, documents, photos, and other categories. Method 1. Learn to use Optimized Storage. Optimized Storage is the built-in feature of the MacOS. Under the recommendations, you can see some options. It makes storage management suggestions based on how much storage you have and which types of files are using the most space. When you turn on Store in iCloud, your Mac uploads your desktop, documents, photos, and messages to iCloud, and only recently opened files and files you've chosen to keep downloaded will stay on your Mac. You might find recommendations for optimized storage. With Optimize enabled, media files using a large amount of space that you don't need anymore are automatically removed, like purchased TV shows and movies that you've already watched. These files can be easily re-downloaded at any time. You can also free up space manually. The storage page is really comprehensive. Scrolling down, your apps, documents, photos, and trash are listed alphabetically, with the storage amount displayed next to each category. Look for the app list. Click the info button next to a category and select what you'd like to delete, especially those apps or extra copy you hardly use. Click the delete button in the lower right corner, then you can delete it. Method 3. Removing large files. Next, view the document list. You can switch between the 4 categories above. For example, I first select large files and then sort them by size so that I can clearly see which files are taking up my space. Similarly, select the files I don't need and click Delete in the lower right corner. Next, let's clean up the download folder. Select the second category and quickly select the files you want to delete. You can also find the download folder in Finder too. Method 5. Clean up your desktop. Many people have the habit of putting files directly on the desktop, so don't forget to clean up the files on the desktop that are no longer used. Method 6. Move files to an external hard drive. Some of you might be thinking, what if you don't want to delete all those files and apps? Then you need to find a way to create more space. Consider buying an external hard drive and copying these files to it may be the best choice. Method 7. Empty trash. Before you empty your trash, take one last look at its contents. Then click the trash icon in Dock. Click Empty Trash to remove everything. Or you can right-click the trash directly and select Empty Trash. Method 8. Clear cache on Mac. Cache files are mainly created while using apps on Mac. To clear cache files, click on Finder and find the Help option from the upper bar. Type Library and find Caches folder. Click it and press Command J. Choose Calculate All Sizes to display the size of each folder. Then tap here to arrange the files by size. Here I found that my Google browser occupied some cache, clicked in, then selected Cache, and tight-click it to move it to the trash. And those are just a few ways to get started with freeing up space on your Mac. Give it a try! Tips: How to recover deleted files on Mac. If you accidentally deleted important files during the cleanup process, don't worry. Here, I will show you how to recover them in 3 steps. Check the download link below to install the 4DDIG Data Recovery Tool. This is a professional tool that can recover files due to accidental deletion, formatting, system crash, or other data loss scenarios. Once you open 4DDIG, click Scan here. Hit Scan All Types to proceed. 4DD will scan all your files, including your lost files. Finally, find the file you want to recover and click Recover. Well done, your lost photos are come back. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more tips. I would be very grateful if you subscribed. And stay tuned for our next video.